Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create an ASMR video while using AI. So add this prompt. I will put it in the description box down below. You can also change the character, the fruit. Press enter, and this is what it's going to kind of give you. You're then going to save the image, and then you're going to you're going to type in ChatGPT. Now create a prompt based on the image of the character eating the fruit in hand and then smiling, and then put ASMR. Get the prompt and copy and paste it to any image to video generator. Unfortunately, they're mostly paid, so right now I cannot show you, but you're just going to put in your prompt. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.